Type 5 Jeff from 2 Hacks Garage. Well, it's day after 4th of July. It's extremely hot out. It's about 99 actual temperature. Back at MICAH shop, I got my drive shaft in. Still waiting for like the U-bolts to clamp it in place. But what we're going to do tonight is at least get the drive shaft in place so we can start measuring up and cutting our rear support, like a drive shaft loop that's going in the rear. Probably take care of a bunch of other miscellaneous tasks. But yeah, it's really hot out today. We had a good 4th of July though. It was a nice calm day. Went over to Jimmy's for a little bit. Went and saw a few friends. So yeah, what we're gonna do is get a drive shaft kind of mocked up in place, get working on this rear drive shaft loop. That's also gonna serve as a brace across here in the rear frame, and take care of a couple other things. So you know what that, guys? We'll see you soon. Well, that's a wrap. That's a wrap for tonight. We got the rear drive shaft loop in. Very functional for what we're going to need it to be. It also serves as a support between the two frame rails. Like I said before, this car was really never meant to do what it's going to do for the no-name nationals. But one kind of neat thing that we did do on this is MICAH went ahead and welded these tabs with these nuts here. So if we got to take the drive shaft out, we can take that bar off and get the whole drive shaft out. So yeah, not too shabby. Pretty happy with it. Adds a little extra support for what we're going to be doing with this car. Add some safety in the back for the drive shaft loop. So yeah, that was tonight's video of just getting that into place, welded up in there, strengthen everything up. Drive shaft came in. I think we're going to have to make a couple modifications to the rear yoke on this. Still measuring a few things and all that. So more to come on that. We're going to make more Mad Dash videos on getting this car ready to go. It's really hot out, guys. So I tell you what, we are going to call it for the night. We will see you tomorrow. Later.